I've improved my A1C from 6.0 to 5.4. My cholesterol was between 250 and 300. Now I'm at 200 and it's still improving. I've lost 40 pounds and my weight is still dropping. I also struggle with Hashimoto's that I've had since college. I'm on medication for life. I didn't want to add any other additional medication to my daily routine, so I found Mastering Diabetes to try and help me with that. Before Mastering Diabetes, I had found that paleo had started to work for me and it worked for a short amount of time, but then I was noticing my numbers were staying stagnant and actually my cholesterol was creeping up and my A1C was creeping up. Paleo was not working for me and I needed to try another avenue. And that's when I found Mastering Diabetes and I read the book and wanted to explore this option. I've eaten meat my entire life. I think that was the hardest part, is not having meat. And then you're also fed with information that, oh, I need animal protein. I need all these different things to benefit my health. I'm just getting protein in a different way now, eating lots of beans, lots of natural, whole foods, plant-based, and my energy has skyrocketed. I used to struggle with just getting through the day with the extreme fatigue. Now I can make it through the whole day, which is different for me. I would probably only get through half of the day before I started to feel the fatigue set in. Because I start work early, and then you want to fit in going to the gym or doing some sort of workout. And I'm mentally fatigued, physically fatigued, and since starting this program, I've noticed that now, I'm working, I'm going to the gym, I'm going home, I'm making dinner, and I have energy to get through that whole schedule. And then I've added, not only going to the gym, but I've added Pilates, and I'm just noticing my energy staying at the same level throughout the day. Before starting this, I was very nervous to incorporate all the carbs, potatoes, fruits, all the things that don't really fit into the paleo, even autoimmune protocol. And so I'm eating those in abundance. I'm eating potatoes, I'm eating rice, I'm eating beans, greens, all of it. And I feel satisfied and satiated throughout the whole day. I don't feel hungry, and I thought I would, but I don't. I don't feel restricted because I found staples in my diet that I add that I do feel satisfied with every day. Most days I have a smoothie, the bean smoothie, which at first I never thought about putting beans in my smoothie, but that's become a staple. Strawberries, blueberries, banana, and then adding white beans with some hemp seeds to get a little bit of fat. That keeps me full throughout the morning. And then staples that I've had for lunch, the 3-bean chili, the quinoa chili has been really good. That's probably one of my favorite recipes that I have on repeat. And then there's also a mushroom soup. It's like a mushroom and wild rice soup that I tend to make. And those have been staples. Before the Mastering Diabetes program, in just a short amount of time, I've improved my A1C from 6.0 to 5.4. My cholesterol was between 250 and 300. Now I'm at 200 and it's still improving. So initially when I had signed up for the program, my goal was to lose 50 pounds. And since joining, I've lost 40 pounds and I'm still dropping. It's dropped off. Like, it doesn't feel like there's a lot of work going behind it just because I'm following the program. I'm doing the exercise, incorporating that in. And it seems like it's continuously falling off. My inflammation is way down. And I can also tell that I don't have as much pain in my joints. So the weight coming off is definitely helping that. When I started this program, my goal was to get off of a triglyceride lowering medication. Since then, I've completely weaned myself off and I'm no longer taking that medication. And that was one of my main goals coming into this. With the coaching program for Mastering Diabetes, I tend to do a little bit better whenever I'm held accountable and have a little bit of support. This is a lifestyle change. So having somebody there to answer any questions that you have and to just really focus on the little things and give you any advice that you may have, because this is completely different from what I've done in the past. So my experience with Coach Karen has been fabulous. She's always been responsive. Anytime I have a question, she's right there to give me an answer. And if, she doesn't know, she will absolutely find out and give me some information back. And she's really good about reaching out and providing new recipes, just new information that goes along with her program. We did have a meeting last night and we were talking about chronometer and putting foods in there so that you can track and make sure you're getting enough, calories and fat. And if you have any questions about meals, but she was also going about tips and tricks on how to modify recipes in there and get Mastering Diabetes compliant and having mostly green light foods. Since the program, my way of eating has completely changed. I haven't had meat. It's mostly whole food, plant-based. I've incorporated a lot of beans, which is completely different. But I think once you start eating well and you start eating these foods, your cravings for all the processed items or all the different things that you had before, it tends to go by the wayside. And I feel satisfied with what I'm eating now. I mean, of course, there's always going to be something, whether it's at family gatherings that you had growing up, that's going to bring back a memory for you. But ultimately, I think that what you're doing with this program kind of supersedes, having that item, whether, cakes that your mom used to make or so it supersedes that. And you tend to stay on track. I mean, just feeling better. I mean, you want to continue to feel better. I think when you felt tired and lethargic and just achy for so long, you want to continue the cycle of feeling good. I think with any new program, it's so nice to have someone there that can hold you accountable and be there for support, because this is a overhaul for me. This was a complete overhaul of my diet and completely changed the way that I eat and think about food. And then having Karen there to support, I think was crucial in the first few months. Before starting Mastering Diabetes, I did read the book a few years ago, and it took a while for me to, have that call to action. I wish that I would have implemented it sooner rather than later, but, I still started. I would say if somebody's on the fence about joining Mastering Diabetes, I mean, what's the hurt in just trying it? If you're ready for a change, I feel like you're going to have the support that you need to get through this overhaul of your lifestyle. I really feel like people will feel better on this regimen. I mean, you're putting whole foods into your body and, you're getting rid of the processed stuff. And I mean, there's no way that you can not feel good.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes meal guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.